Sondelani wema fighter eyenu le neindaba ezibhlungu weingane zakwethu ukuthi ukuhamba bona bazohamba.
Now the EFF claims it's saving South Africans from the imminent tribalism in South Africa.
Mntana lo we-EFF bekalokathi it's my punani, it's my vagina. Lo mntana lo wasemalawi ubani unaleli chiro masimbakhe.
Now that comes as a surprise for me that he becomes the one who starts a conversation about tribalism and then victims appear. In my own opinion, I see the EFF suffering from what I call projection. Chronic projection. Yes, perfect.
This one is for vendors. Vendors are so useless. They are even far. They don't care about them. Vendors are cowards. They won't fight back. The people of Limpopo are fools. We disbanded their government. They didn't do anything. We can close their bank. They won't do anything.
Because how come it came to their mind that there would be tribalism when we are getting rid of illegal immigrants? Has there been tribalism in America? I don't think so. Has there been tribalism in other countries where they are moving these illegal aliens out? I don't think so. Unless if we are dealing with a tribalist who hates Zulu people and wants to project it as if Zulu people hate Limpopo.
Another black man started an organization called Economic Freedom Fighters. You ask, you're fighting for economic freedom from who? From your fellow black people? From the black government? It doesn't make sense.
We have no history of going to other people's countries uninvited. And therefore, don't think we're disparate to be in anyone's country. We're not that type that goes uninvited. So we will only go where we are invited and where we're welcomed. And we'll go legally with all required papers.
Wena Julius Malema, wena ufuna ukuthandwa iAfrika yonke yonkana. Wile nhlobo ethi mayifuna imali igcina inikela ngabantu bakubo. Wile nhlobo enjalo bafu. Ukuthi wena unganikela ngomuntu wakini ngoba ufuna lokho onephupho lokuthi uyakufuna empilweni ugcina unikela. Wena unganikela futhi even nangengane sometimes oyizalayo ukuthi angeke izwe ngengane. Unganikela bafu. Mawusufuna liyanto.
Motho Jerry ditendera ka moka o tsofa maZimbabwe taka mo Polokwane bana ba borena ba kere meshumo e filo maZimbabwe aran hore maZimbabwe ba fuwe meshumo mara aba fuwe meshumo le bona di masipale ntjabo bona Harare le ana mo gongwe le rena re kere meshumo mo di masipale tja rena.
CIC is misleading the organization, and a lot of people they clapping hands.
They must stop shouting at us. They must go and fight for their battle in Zimbabwe and win. If they've got ground and they are formed on the basis of solid ground in Zim, why are they speaking in Sandton and not Mashonaland or Matabeleland?
But the reason why most Africans admire you is when you speak down on your own people, when you insult your own people. You cannot speak to the wrong other Africans are doing in your country. This is why you have a lot of Africans and those in the diaspora supporting you, because people like you to put your own people down before they can like you. So, you know, there are several ways to go about things, okay? You cannot love me when you cannot love your own people first. You cannot respect me. You cannot claim to respect me when you cannot respect your own people first.
It has always been a problem, both in the hospitality industry and in the security industry, where foreigners are preferred over our people.
I'm not prepared to take a platform and say foreigners must go home. I would rather not be a president of South Africa. I will be a president of my children at home. We'll practice cabinet there. No, I don't want. I must go and tell these hungry Zimbabweans to live here.
We call on Zimbabweans to stop being cowards and confront Mnangagwa's government and go and reclaim their own country. They cannot continue to stay in South Africa as if they are enjoying life here. You will never enjoy life in somebody else's country. You can only enjoy life if you go home and remove ZANU-PF from power and arrest those who are stealing the gold of Zimbabwe.
We say to him, keep your dirty hands out of Zimbabwe's affairs, Malema. So he suffers from the Rhodes syndrome. At 43 years of age, he is no longer a youth. Who is he from South Africa to try to tell the youths of Zimbabwe who should be their ruler? Malema pakati papaya ma. Akunoza udauzia amai vemhuri bata musikwe wayo. Amai vacho vanobva wauya kuzokutunga. Now to get Malema from South Africa, coming from Norway, talking about succession in Zimbabwe.
Umcimbi lapha eWestern Cape ke sizinhlanga ezahlukeneyo ingakumbi oluhlanga lwebala. Ndicinga ba umongameli wethu ezi-EFF kufanele ndoba akhawuqwalasele lo mcimbi wabantu bangaphandle eyona nto ibethu umbutho kakhulu. I know indoba sise-Afrika sonke kodwa ngowona mcimbi ukhalisa abantu thina abantu basegroundini thina abantu balapha ezantsi iyathanda i-EFF ngabantu kodwa lo mcimbi wakavula zibhuqe.
Malema should stop coming to Kenya and insult our president. In fact, I want to ask the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to demand an apology from Julius Malema and EFF of South Africa and to deny him visa and passport from coming to Kenya again. To tender and reserved apology not only to President William Ruto but to the great people of Kenya because
the EFF is the only organization in the whole of Africa that exists beyond the borders of a certain country. You can go to any country, you'll find the EFF. You can find people who resonate with the ideas of the EFF.
Malema usugugile mfana kithi. Hlala phansi manje. Lento yakhe ukulibelula izimpi ezingenasicoco. Wena usuyayicontradicta too much. There are videos of you in the past whereby you were saying foreigners, if they have strength, let them go and use their strength at home. Today, when Usuti, no foreigners should go. Malem, indlala noma yini. Indlala na noma yini. Yini lebambile, umbuzo lo ngibuza, indlala noma yini. Awukwazi phela ukuyicontradictanga.
Yazindawo engihlekisayo la. Hayibo, nithi mase ngize ngatholakala ukuthi ngifike ngokungemthetho kulolo lizwe, kumele bangidocumente.
Every foreigner who's here must be documented. Once documented, they too have got a right to access the opportunities that we are talking about.
Kumele ke ba decidele futhi bona ukuthi bathi ngize ngokuzokwenzani ngoba mina sengize ngaphakathi. Kumele bakhethe ukuthi bathi ngize ngework visa noma nge-student visa noma ngiyi-tourist. Kodwa nje ngoba sengize ngafika ngokungemthetho kulolo lizwe akumele bangixoshe bangibuyisele kwelakithi. Mabenza lokho kuyosho ukuthi bayacwasa ngokobuzwe. Kumele bangidocumente. Nithule njani nisho kanti kunama opportunity nje. Ngabe phela umuntu kade ayizamela inhlanhla lemfethu kwesa Trump. Ngiyoyizamela nje America into eyilwelayo nje wena phela ukuthi ungene. Mase ngingaphakathi ngiyabatshela ukuthi ngidocumenteni. Sengize ngafika ngaphakathi nje. Ngibatshela ukuthi ngidocumenteni. Noma ngiyoyizamela ko China athi uyafika lapho ubani angazi noma ushi noma uxi president wase China mabethi bangibuyisela kwelakithi ngithi cha nicwasa ngokobuzwe nina sengize ngafika la ngidocumenteni ngidocumenteni ho ningangibuyiseli kwelakithi ngidocumenteni bonani nini ukuthi nenze njani nithi ngizokwenzani. Hey, nezimanga guys. kusho ukuthi phela uma ukuthi igazi kusebenza kanjalo uzani nani ngalana uzani ngapha ko-Korean zozama kanjalo into nilwele nje ningene ningabonwa manike nabanjwa ngaphakathi bazonidocumenta uzani asizameni ngani zakwethu kanti kusebenza kanjalo hawu asizameni
mhlanje usuthi ama-foreigner angahambi lalela Julius Malema iyeke lenqondo yakho Masimba yeka lenqondo yakho mina angangifani ke no ngizwe mhlambe ke mawufuna ukuthi ngishade nawe ungitshele mina ngashada nawe ngashada nje nawe esidi isikhathi kuchithe futhi South Africa ibhekile angisabi ke mina ukuyoshada nani phela ngizwe suka uyitholele lapha awu sungaze ucela i-donation nje ngesitayela ngabameli ayi fuck indaba yenu uyaganga wena bengafanelanga ukuthi uzubopha umfowenu umsuyishe emsunu wenje hayi amalebe phela lento umalebe iyazazi nathi hayi ngamalebe nje so fuck indaba yayo there's nothing he can do nothing he can say he must just shut up wena mfethu sumdala man fuseke indaba yakho wena into ofanele uyenze njengamanje is to focus on EFF. You have worked very hard. People love you. But now this thing of you contradicting yourself, it makes you a useless leader. So you mustn't be a useless leader, man. Masima. Awuthi kha hlale phansi